This is my easy, quick soya chunks biryani with the leftover rice, basmati rice. Welcome to Meda's Healthy Veg Kitchen. Today I'm just a quick lunch. I have some leftover rice. I am making a soy chunks biryani with that. The regular onion, ginger, and tomato. That's what it is. And I added some coriander leaves, mint leaves into that. Of the stems. While it's cooking, I have a little bit of cauliflower, soft, and then squeezed out of water, the soy chunks, and green tea. So the vegetables I'm going to add now. It's a quick biryani or pulao, whatever. I'm going to use the Bombay biryani masala. That is my favorite for quick recipes like this. Bombay biryani masala has the garam masala spices in it, but it has a mild spice level, so I like that. But for color, I'm going to add a little bit turmeric powder. Little of turmeric powder and salt. I'll add salt also. I like a whole black pepper bite here and there, so I'm adding it whole because if you crush it, it will overpower, but you will get the spice when you bite on it. So I like that. I should have done it in the oil, but I forgot. That's okay. For the authentic Mughalai taste, I'm adding a spoon of, actually 2 tablespoons of yogurt into that. That will give the tangy taste for the masala. And it will give some softness to the soy chunks also. Right now, once the yogurt is incorporated, I'm going to add this biryani masala. Biryani masala you can add how much you like, just to cover up all the vegetables. That's what I'm doing right now. Things on top. And I have my leftover cooked basmati rice, which I'm going to add on top. Adding a little bit water here and there. Don't want too much water, but just enough to heat up the whole thing. And here goes the remaining mint and coriander. In 5 minutes, I'm going to cover it, cook it, and then I will put some ghee on top. My biryani will be ready. 1 spoon of clarified butter or ghee. That cashew on top, stirring all thing. This is my easy, quick soya chunks biryani with the leftover rice, basmati rice.